Okay, guys. Now this is our next section that we're looking at. So this is a problem solving thing, and I want you to work with me to see how we're going to work this. So a large enclosure at the zoo contains 5 giraffes. So try and make sure that you remember these numbers or just note them, and 12 zebras. Okay, so the question says write the ratio. So let's look at A. Write the ratio comparing the number of zebras to the number of giraffes. So they've swapped them round. So we go 12 to giraffes is to 5. All right, so you know how to do that. Let's look at B. B says write the ratio comparing the number of giraffes. So how many giraffes have we got? 5. So we put that in first. To the total number of animals. So we take our giraffes, which is 5, and our zebras. So even though we've got our giraffes over here, we include our zebras when they say total. Okay, so you include everything. When they say total, you include everything. So you've got your 5 and your 12, which gives you 17, and you'll go 5 is to 17. Okay, so remember when they say the total, it's everything that's included. Okay, when we look at C, it says write the number of giraffes. I think I spelled giraffes wrong there. Did I? No. Write the number of giraffes as a fraction of the total number of animals. Okay, so first of all, highlight, okay, I have to write a fraction. The number of giraffes is mentioned first. So I have to put the number of giraffes at the top. How many giraffes have we got? 5. As a fraction of the total number of animals. So that becomes second, so I have to put that at the bottom. So giraffes and zebras are 17, so it's 5 over 17. So write the number of giraffes as a fraction, so giraffes at the top, of the total number of animals goes at the bottom. Okay? And then D, write the number of zebras as a percentage of the total number of animals. The first thing you do when you see the word percentage is you make a fraction, okay? Because we know how to change a fraction into a percentage. So let's start off with our fraction. Write the number of zebras. So how many zebras have we got? We've got 12. As a percentage of the total number of animals. So our total number is of 17. So we make a fraction first. Then we take our calculator and we go 12 divided by 17 and we hit percent and we get 70 point, and it goes on and on and on. They'll normally tell you they wanted to round it to the nearest whole number. This one is 70.5. So 5 is big enough to change the number next to it. So if we want to round that, 5 is big enough. We look at the 5. 5 is big enough to change that because remember 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are strong. So 5 changes that 0 to a 1 and then 5 dies. So the answer is 71%. So when they say percentage, the first thing you do is make it into a fraction and then use your calculator to change that into a percentage. Always look out if you've got decimal places that you round them up. All right, now I want you to go ahead and complete number 2, please.